Okay, welcome back everyone. In this part of the course, we are going to discuss about 2 pair, 4 pair and multiple pair scalping. Okay, as discussed in the previous part of this course, I have told you that I have mentioned and I have elaborately explained how to use strictly 1% calculation and how to trade based on that. Okay, so using 1% risk is always better on how to build and how to form cycles we have discussed. Using 1 pair you can do that. Okay, but now in this part of the series, 2 pair, okay, I'm going to show you how to uh, take the same risk. I mean, we are going to take the same risk 1% only by using the 2 pairs or using 4 pair or multi-pair scalping. Okay, but I will not recommend this. Okay, but if you are experienced, I mean, if you master this cipher calculation, I mean this part. Okay, if you master the patterns, if you know long-term trading, and if you're good in doing the arithmetic calculations very perfectly, so then I will suggest you to go for this. Okay, this is a little bit of advanced level. It's not exactly advanced level, but it might confuse. Okay, for a few members. So I would suggest you to focus and concentrate a bit. Okay. Okay, it's actually very simple. Don't have to complicate. It is actually very simple. Okay, if you get the idea and if you get the calculation perfectly, you'll get it right. Okay. Okay, I'll make it very simple and clear to you. Okay, I explained that using a $10,000 account, how to take 1% risk based on various stop losses. Okay, but it is same while you're using 2 pairs. What you have to do is first always calculate 1% risk. You don't have to change any calculation here at all. Just 1% risk uh, on the same lot size first. Okay. For example, for $10,000 account, your uh, stop loss is actually for 20 pips. Okay. Let's take this one, 20 pips and 0.50. Now what you have to do is, if you are planning to trade in 2 pairs, okay, if you are trading in 1 pair, one entry, this is the calculation, 0.50 for 20 pips. Okay, this is the 1% risk. Okay, the loss will be $100. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, if you're planning to trade in 2 pairs, just divide that. Okay, what is the lot size here actually for the 20 pips actually? Okay, lot size divided by, you don't have to change any 1% or any other stop losses and etc. Same stop losses, same 1% risk. Just you have to divide the lot size by, if you are trading in 2 pairs, divided by 2. Okay, if you are trading in Euro USD and USD JPY in 2 pairs, okay, what will be your lot size? First you have calculated for 20 pips, what will be that? 0.50. So as per our rule, stop loss divided by 2 for if you are trading 2 pairs in 2 pairs. 0.50 is the lot size we have calculated. So 0.50 divided by 2, 0.25. Okay, now what you have to do is, you have to take 0.25 in Euro USD, 0.25 in USD JPY. Okay, I hope it is very clear. Okay, the same risk. Okay, if you loss in both, okay, it will be the same calculation. 1% only, you will lose only $100. Okay. If you're trading in 4 pairs, okay, if you're trading in 4 pairs, lot size divided by 4, as simple as that. Okay, divided by 4. So same risk here. Okay, 0.50, 20 pips. You are planning to trade in 4 pairs. I suggest you to 0.50 is the lot size. Initially we have calculated divided by 4. That would be 0.125. 0.125 will be your entry with a 20 pips stop loss. Here also same, you will not change anything, same 20 pips only. Okay, because for 1% only you have calculated, and if you do that for lot size divided by 4, you have to take this in 4 different pairs. Whichever you want, you can choose. Okay, only 20 pips. If you profit in all the 4, you will get the same result. Okay, altogether you will get $100. Okay, even if you lost $100. Okay. I hope it is clear. But what if you are going to trade in multiple pairs? If you want to do that, I would suggest not to do this at all. Okay, because this is for experienced guys. You have to be immensely disciplined. You have to follow the calculations correctly. But I'm telling you what are the possibilities out there. Okay, so you should know that too. It's my duty to teach you the every secret that is available, and you should be aware of these two. Okay, just follow 0.01. If you're trading in 5 pairs or more pairs, okay, don't go beyond that. If you want to trade maximum, just go for 0.02. Whatever the account says, it doesn't matter. Okay, I mean, if it is above $1,000 or $5,000, I would recommend to go for or if it is about $10,000, I would suggest you to go for multiple pairs. If not, just stick to the 1% rule. It is very good, and you don't have to confuse with this. Okay, 0.01 or 0.02. If the account size is minimum $5,000, you can consider that if you want to trade in multiple pairs. Okay, if it is a 10,000, it's okay, it's a decent one. Okay, I would suggest this one only, $10,000. If you have or Canadian dollars, Australian dollar, or any amount, if you have $10,000, you can go for multiple pair scalping using 0.01 to 0.02 as a maximum lot size. Okay, so if you are trading in 4 different pairs, use 0. In this case 0.125. Okay, as we have discussed. So calculate accordingly. If you are using 10 pips, you will know what to do. Just divided by 2. In this case, it will be 0.50, 0.50. Same profit, same calculation. You don't have to change anything. Just that we are using a 2 or 3 pairs. Okay. There is a drawback in this, which is that in Euro USD, if you keep 10 pips, it will show you. In this case, for 1%, if you have calculated $100, okay. If you paste 0.25 for this 20 pips stop loss in Euro USD, you'll get exactly, okay, $50 stop loss. And USD JPY, it might be lesser. It might be 50 or $47, because the spread varies on different pairs. So if it confuses, what you have to do is you just have to calculate for the $50. Okay, just see that 1%. What is the 1% risk here? Okay, for 20 pips, 0.50 is the lot size. What is the amount we are going to lose? 1%. 1% amount will be 100. So for that $100, what you have to do? If you're dividing the lot size by 2, right, we have to divide that by the number of losses. Okay, number of losses in the sense number of the correct loss number. I mean in this it's 100 USD. Okay, 100 USD, 100 US dollars. This is the exact loss amount. So divided that by 2. You will lose $50, $50. So for 20 pips, you have to calculate. Simple as that. Okay. And place the lot size according to $50. Okay. So $50 you are supposed to lose. Okay. If you are trading into two pairs, because 1% is $100, you are supposed to lose $50 in each pair, which means you can calculate $50 what lot size for that particular pair for the 20 pip stop loss. Okay, it will be 0.25 in Euro USD, and it will be same in the USD JPY. If you spread it differs a little bit, you can also see that and calculate, and accordingly you can place the stop loss. Okay, so overall if the stop hits, it should be $50 in Euro USD, and if you are trading in some other pair, it should be also $50. I mean if you're trading in any two pairs. Okay, if you're trading in 4 pairs, you have to calculate accordingly. Okay, I hope it is clear. So watch the video again if in case if it's not clear. Okay, let me show you one more example. Okay, consider that we're keeping a 50 pips stop loss for 2 pairs. Okay, so we're taking any pairs. It could be Euro USD, USD JPY, or it's up to you, AUD USD or New Zealand USD or golden, etc. So what would be our stop loss? 50 pips. What's our lot size we are supposed to take? 0.20. What will be our loss? Always 1%. For a $10,000 account, it will be $100. Okay. If it is for some other account, it will be of different loss. Okay. If it is a $5,000 account, the loss would be 50 here. Always 50 because it's a 1%. Okay. Okay. Let's not confuse in that. So now we are taking this stop loss 50, 0.20, we are going to trade into. So lot size divided by 2, number of pairs we are going to take. If it is 2 pairs, 2, if you are going to trade in 4, it will be 4. Okay. So what is the lot size here? 0.20. Let's see our calculator already. 0.20 divided by 2 for 2 pairs. Okay, it will be 0.1 each pair. You should take 0.10 in each 50 pips stop loss, which will give you $50 loss, $50 loss, $50 profit, $50 profit. Okay, so overall it will be 100 if you divide it by 4. Okay, let's see if you're trading in 4 different pairs and 4 different orders. 0.20 divided by 4 is equal to 0.05 will be your entry. Okay, see the spread. Okay, sometimes it varies in different pairs, so adapt accordingly. Stop losses might be less, might be of a little bit higher. So it should be of stop loss $50. So place your stop loss $50. Simple as that. $50. Okay. Your lot size should be based on the number of pairs. Okay. If 2 pairs, 2 times you have to divide. 4 pairs, you have to divide 4 times. If you have 5,000 account, go for multiple pairs, 0.11. If you have $10,000 and more, go for maximum 0.02. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you any two trades based on this. Okay, I mean any two pairs I'm going to place the order just randomly, just how to calculate. Okay, it's an example. For a 50 pip stop loss, I'm going to take two trades because I'm going to be planning to trade in two pairs. Okay. Okay, let's trade AUD JPY and CSD CHF. Okay. So both the loss sizes are actually divided by 2, 0.20. So divided by 2 is 0.10. So I should keep 0.10. For example, if it is going up 0.10, stop loss should be 50. Okay, approximately 50. Okay, you can keep it precisely. Take profit can be 1%, same, or you can keep 1:2 also. It's up to you. This is the one more pair, right? You just adjust the stop loss according to the loss. $50 we should lose, so accordingly you should place the stop loss. You're also going by 50 US dollars. Okay. See, actually in this it shows 48 pip only. Okay, but we are supposed to place how much? 50 pips, but the spread varies. Okay, so stop loss I adjusted to correctly for the imperfection of actually it was an imperfection, so I adjusted it to roundly to $50 in the both the pairs because of spread. Okay, see here, $50, it's only 48 pips. Actually we are supposed to keep 50 pips. Okay, it gives us 52. So pip can be varied, but the losses it should not go beyond the risk level. Okay, if 1% loss means 1% loss only. We should not take further risks. You can reduce the stop losses if you want. So it is $50. It's good actually. It is correct and perfect actually. It's not good. It's better actually. Here also it's 55 pips actually. See the pips here 55. But the dollar is what? 50 US dollars. So I'm ready to lose only 50 because that's what I have calculated. Okay, in this and this both I'm going to lose how much? 50-50. Even if I reach my target in both, I'll get 50 and 50 in both. This is a $10,000 account. I have taken 1% risk only, but I'm trading in two pairs. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, let's see one more example of how to split and trade in four pairs actually. Four pairs here. I'll go with the stop loss of we can okay, let's say we can okay, let's do the same. Okay, let's go with the same 50 pips and its lot size is 0.20. If you lost, it will be 100. So I'm doing it for the four pair now. So what are you going to do? Lot size divided by 4, 0.20 divided by 4. Side by side, you can also 1% risk. What is the risk amount? 1% risk divided by 4. You can do that also. So if you plan this both, you will get an idea correctly. 0.20 divided by 4. 0.20 divided by 4. Okay, I'm going to use only 0.05 lot size. Okay, 0.05 lot size as a fixed one in my four pairs which I'm going to use. Okay, 0.05. So the loss which I'm going to occur is 100. So 100 divided by 4. we will know it's 25. Okay, so in every pair I'm going to lose only $25, not more than that. Okay, because 4 pairs I am trading, lot size is 0.20. If you divide it by 4, you will get 0.05. I'm going to use 0.05 lot size in every pair and 25 as a loss in every pair. Okay, I'm taking USD JPY, Euro USD, Swiss franc and Japanese yen and Euro AUD. Okay, what's my lot size? 0.05 dollar. Simple as that. Okay, just first place I'm gonna sell here in every situation. 0.05 sell, sell. So I'm just placing randomly. Okay, I'm not analyzing anything, just to see if I'm trading based on the risk. Okay, my risk is only 1% here. Okay, yes. So we are supposed to keep lot size how much? 0.05 in everyone, and our lot size, our stop loss should be how much? 50 pips. Our dollar how much? 25 only we are supposed to lose. $25 we are supposed to lose. $25, 50 pips, approximately 50 pips here. Yes, 55 to 50 pips. Yes, good. $25. Okay, same goes here. $25 I lose exactly. It's good actually here. You can adapt a little bit here. 25. Yes, and again 25. Okay, this 25 US dollars. Okay, 25. Yes, as you can see, it's a little bit complicated. Only if you know 4 different uh, directions in each pair, you can able to do that. But keep this in mind. There is always a calculation involved, and if you follow that correctly, you can do well. Okay, do better. So it's an idea. If you want, you can use, or you can ignore it. As simple as that. Don't have to complicate at all. Just follow 1% rule in one pair. It's more than enough. Yes. Okay. So we are divided the lot size into 4 different types to trade in 4 different pairs, and we have placed the risk also. Okay, divided by 4. Okay, each has 0.25% risk. 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 percent risk. So overall, altogether, it forms 1. Okay, yes, 0.25 into 4. It is 1%, which is 100 US dollars for this given $10,000 account which I have calculated. So it varies for the different amounts. If we have $5,000 account, it will be 50 here. Okay, so we will have to calculate 50 divided by 4 in case we are dividing, if you're trading in 4 pairs. 2 pairs means 50 divided by 2. So lot size also we have to calculate accordingly. I hope it is very clear now. So rewatch this video again, it will be very clear to you. Okay, so you can use it to your advantage. 2 pair, 4 pair, or multi-pair scalping. It's up to you, but I would suggest you to do only in 1 pair, maximum 2 pair if you can. If you are good in trading, if you can analysis, if your analysis is good and you can able to forecast in 2 or 3 pairs, then you will do that. But stick to 1% rule always. Okay, if this is the base of all things. If you ignore this, you will get confused and you might lose somewhere. Okay, chances are very good that you will lose more and more. So follow the rules strictly and try to trade in only 1 pair mostly. Okay, just grab this idea, and if you become a master and if an expert after practicing this method and strategy, you can do that later on. Okay, if you make more profits while you are in more profits, as we have discussed in the previous section, if your profit is too good, if you have made $2,000, $3,000, during that time you can implement these kind of methods and you can test it. Okay, while you're doing it initially, just try to do it in one pair. Okay, I hope this helps you. Okay, if you have any doubts, you know how to contact me in Telegram. So take care.